The Director General of the Presidential Campaign Council of the Labour Party, Mr. Doyin Okupe, is at the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the verdict of a suit instituted by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The commission is accusing him of receiving funds amounting to over 700 million naira from the former National Security Advisor, retired Colonel Sambo Dasuki. He is accused of collecting the money when he served as a senior special assistant on media to former President Goodluck Jonathan. His wife Omolara and son Adesukomi took turns pleading with the court to temper justice with mercy. Also, a former governor of Anambra State, Chief Chukwuemeka Ezeife, urged the court to take cognizance of the fact that the defendant was a first-time offender. In her judgment, Justice Ojukwu further held that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission successfully established its case against the defendant. The court added that it had also observed the defendant's demeanor while his trial lasted, as well as the fact that he had no previous record of conviction. While he was acquitted of counts 1 to 33, the court found him guilty on counts 34 to 59. He was subsequently handed 2 years on each of the 26 charges, though the court rules that the sentence will run concurrently for 2 years. The court refused to make an order for him to be kept in prison custody, as the sentence has the option of a fine. However, he was given until 4 o'clock on Monday evening to pay the fine.
So he has been convicted, and then if by the time we get the judgment proper, we will still study the judgment and look at the other counts that he was discharged and acquitted. We will look at it very well and take the necessary decision.
Dr. Doyin Okupe is just a victim of a honest mistake and a victim of circumstance. He was found not guilty of count 1 to 37, which borders on money laundering, fraud, corruption, and misappropriation of the monies he took from the office of NSA. But he had issues when it comes to count 38 to 59, which provides that he was guilty of an offense for collecting money in excess of 5 million, which is the permissible threshold under the Money Laundering Act.
Nevertheless, the defendant was able to pay the 13 million naira fine as stated by the court.